Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa. I am the reclusive reader, and today we are going to be unboxing my first ever official fountain pen, and I thought we would unbox it and fill her up. I got some free samples that were small free samples of ink with some surprise colors I'm excited to open up. This is from the Goulet Pen Co. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that right, the Goulet Pen Co. I actually found them on TikTok. I did not order this on TikTok. I ordered it on their website directly from them. If you do that, you can get a free, I got a kit, a beginner kit. I just thought this was like the perfect little company to try it out, and I just adore the girl that promotes their TikTok. So yeah, this is going to be a little unboxing, filling up my starter pen, my pack, the mystery things. So if you're here for the fountain pen life, you're gonna love this one. So this is the ink that came with it, Horizon Blue. I'm gonna show that. Oh, these are the mini ink samples. Looks like, what do we got? Hell, it looks like an orange. Oh, pick me up of the messes. It's like a blue. Oh. Midnight blue, deep purple. So that like an orange, a black, blue, two blues, and a purple. So that's super cute. This is the pen. We will get to all that. I will unwrap. Oh, I guess I can do this a while. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Here. Oh, look at the dragon. It's so cute. Bam, support small business. Oh, okay. This is awesome. Helpful. And then I get a little, oh, lollipop. Oh, my son will love that. Then, yeah, the little notebook. We got like a little notebook. Came with, so the notebook, the pen, and this ink came in this set. And then if you sign up for their email, you get the free ink samples of a variety, $10 value. So I thought that was pretty cool. This is 𝓕𝓲𝓻, I don't know. I'm assuming it's like an orange, yellow. I don't know. I'm assuming. Deep purple. Like, I'm actually super excited for how deep purple that actually looks. This is pick me up. Like, I'm assuming it's like a black. Don't think, or maybe it's like a brown. I think it might be a brown. We'll have to test that one out. Of the mesas, that looks really cool. The blue looks really, really cool there. And then this is midnight blue. It's kind of hard to see the color on the camera, but oh well. So that's the samples. This is the Horizon Blue ink that came with the beginner set. I know you gotta shake them real well. I've seen people get they don't shake their ink enough. I gotta make sure it's nice and shook. That's nice. gonna save the pen for last and just do the little notebook because that'll be easy. And we're gonna test out on the notebook. It's actually, these are like a lot thinner than I thought they were gonna be, but yeah, dotted little, just a tiny little thing that we're gonna test out on it. And I know this is what you've all been waiting for. I got the, I'm gonna like push TWSBI. In my mind, I literally just see it. TWSBI ECO. Pretty sure this is the clear one with the extra fine. I got extra fine. I know I got extra fine. Oh, she's a stunner. Oh, she's a stunner, 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 stunner. Oh, I'm pretty sure these are like cleaning tools, which are like super helpful, but for later. And this is like, I believe it's like a cleaning solution to use and such. And then this is the prize. She's pretty. So pretty. Now I have no idea how to fill her up, so we're gonna be back. So it seems pretty simple. Let's see how this goes with filling her up. This is actually to help with twisting it, apparently. Boom, boom. You don't really like need that. Okay, now that's ready to go. Shoot, a little time. Bye-bye. See you soon, pen. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. right, and we are back. We are going to give it a writing sample in the notebook that came with it. I literally never written with an official fountain pen. I'm like kind of nervous. So bear with me. Oh my god. She's stunning. She's so stunning. I'm still trying to get the hang of the whole like fountain pen vibe, but this is so smooth. It feels so comfortable in my hand. That's what I like feel like learning is about. Learning writing is literally learning what is comfortable in your hand and just taking your time and like slowly working it up. Thank you for coming on my fountain pen unboxing journey with me. I hope that you all enjoyed it, and make sure to like and subscribe if you're a fountain pen girly. Let me know what your favorite to go fountain pen is and where you like to get yours, because I am so open to more ideas, and this is just the beginning of my fountain pen collection. So thanks again. Love you.